Hello, it's Bonnie from Everything Country CA, and today I'm going to show you our farmhouse styled kitchen. We had downsized our home for retirement a couple years ago and bought a smaller house that was good for the two of us. And we had to do quite a bit of work. And the last thing we did was our kitchen renovation. And in order to save money for our budget, we decided to paint our kitchen cabinets with the Cloverdale Renaissance paint in the white dove color, which is a Benjamin Moore color, and it turned out awesome. I wanted to show pictures and video for those who are interested. We've been followed on our website and also on my Pinterest, and there's a lot of people very interested in the Cloverdale paint, the Renaissance paint, and how it stood up. So this is 1 year later, what our cupboards look like. And generally, we're very happy with Cloverdale paint and the Renaissance paint product. The only issue was on one cupboard where we don't believe it was cured properly for the full month. So it got a lot of use. It's the cabinet or the door underneath the kitchen sink. So you'll see that in the video. The rest of the cupboards, there's very minor, little spots on a couple of them, but nothing that we would worry about, and we just love it. We love the color, we love how it wipes down when there's any marks. There's a couple of shadows. When you see the cupboard, it looks like a mark, but it's just a shadow. So anyway, I just hope it's helpful to people, and I hope you like the kitchen, and this is our retirement, place where we live now, and we love it, and we're happy with it. It's good enough, and so enjoy. I hope you enjoy the video and I hope it helps you as well. Okay, take care and enjoy your day. Thanks. Bye.